Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Angular PDF editor and annotation editor that I developed in the browser. It is running it on localhost. If you see, there is a simple application which runs in the browser. No server-side code is involved. So there is an option right here. Here you will select whichever PDF file that you need to edit. As soon as you select the PDF, you will see the PDF will be rendered. You will be able to read the PDF. This is the first page. This is the second page, and we have the controls right here on the left-hand side. If you see, we can add a text. We can add images as well. We can add checkboxes as well. So if I select add text, so you will see you can use your mouse and actually add whatever text that you want to. You can see that. Then we also have the second option to add images. Simply click add image and just add whatever image that you want to add. So you can see the image will get added. Just put this image right here, and then we can even add checkboxes as well. If you see, and then we have an option here to export the PDF. Click download. So your PDF will be exported with all the modified changes that you have done. If you see, this is actually an Angular project, guys, that I developed. If you see, this is a full Angular project, and it's coded inside TypeScript. Each component is having this. You will see you can directly purchase the full source code, guys. So once you purchase it, you will get this zip file, and it is very easy to run this project as well. So for running this project, it's very easy. You come to the terminal and you cd. I'm running it on localhost 4200. If you see, npm run start, so this will start the Angular application. ngserve, if you see, will start the project or localhost 4200. And for the dependencies, we are actually using quite a third-party dependencies. If we check, we are using JS-PDF. Sorry, this is not the project. This is a project, yeah. So we are using the latest version of Angular, which is 16, and we are using html2pdf.js library, and we are also using PDF-LIB library as well. So PDF-LIB library, if you don't know, is an open source JavaScript library for adding and modifying PDF documents, and html2pdf.js. This is also a library for creating your PDF documents. So we're using this to actually build this Angular PDF editor and annotation. You select here, and here you can add it. Just select. So this runs in the browser, guys. You can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description, so you will get this full source code. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.